Hello creators, here's a great AI video generator with a free forever plan that's easy for anyone to make videos quickly. Avoid hours editing video. I'll show you how I made this video you are watching right now. I'm now on the Studio tab. I have 3 scenes so far, each with a name by them. Clicking on the name pulls up the voice selection menu with all the options available for voice type and language. Clicking on the image pulls up the Pexel stock library to choose a suitable video or image that matches your respective scene. Now I'll show you file settings on the top right, where you can adjust the aspect ratio for your video. You can also choose an audio-only option here as well. You can click on Add Subtitles and adjust settings here for text and text background. At any time, you can preview your scenes all together by pressing play from the first scene or from the preview play section at the bottom of the screen. Once you're done, you can also add background music and export in the top right. One handy feature is being able to add pauses to audio to help sync with each scene. I used the free plan for this video and you get 1,000 credits per month, however. This is 1 credit per word for audio, so can easily be used up. Be sure you use short sentences per scene. Try Fliki for free via the link in the description. Follow me and subscribe to my channel for more cool AI tools for content creators.